158. Well, February 2nd now. February 1st yesterday. It is ridiculously cold out there. Snowstorm. I tried driving in it for a while. I'm like, you know what? I got a new car. It was pushed up. So I figured, can't sleep. Might as well start my YouTube page. If I didn't create the account, but no videos on it yet. I broke down the hives early. If anybody was wondering, my forehead is like that. This is ridiculous. Long story, but people know me know I don't eat any shellfish. And I had some Chinese food earlier. I ordered egg rolls, and yeah, the shrimp egg roll instead of the vegetable ones, and didn't turn out too well. Uh, so yeah, this is what I do when I'm not working and can't sleep. Yeah.